Hello class, this video is to show you how to code missing data in Jamovi. So I'm going to use the Big 5 dataset. Here's the code book. I'm going to scroll down to the demographic information. So here's the demographic information. I have race, and you can see they coded the missing data as 0. And same for English, for gender, and handedness. So let's go to Jamovi. I already changed gender into nominal. One was female, male, and you don't actually have to classify this. Did not spawn to reverse code. I just want to do descriptives first. I'm going to go into analysis, exploration, descriptives, gender. It doesn't show me anything because it's nominal, so I need to click here. So I have 4 zeros, which indicate missing data. So I need to tell Jamovi that. Okay, so now let's go into our column. I will click on the name. Here where it says missing values, I'm going to click on that. It opens this new menu. Add a missing value. I'm going to do equals equals. I'm going to put 0. Before I hit enter, I want you to look here at the frequencies and see what happens. Oh, now I have 0. I don't think that's right. So the problem that we have here is that it thinks correctly that gender is nominal because we set it to nominal. So it thinks the 0 is actually like some kind of category. So what we need to do is put quotes around it. There you go. And then it will disappear completely from our. So it's very likely that the continuous variables also have missing data, but it's harder for us to see it in the descriptives like analysis, exploration. If I do E1, which is the first item, I'm not able to see the categories. Like I can eyeball it, but it would be very exhausting for me to look for a 0 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trick Jamovi into thinking this is nominal, just so I can run descriptives on it. E1, I'm going to click frequencies, and I definitely have a couple of zeros in there. So I need to also tell it that 0 is not part of the scale, that it needs to be removed. And I need to do this before I reverse code, before I create my totals, before I start doing my stats. So data, I'm going to go back to the correct setting, which was continuous. Then I'm going to go to missing values. At missing values, because this one is continuous, the 0 should be enough. Yeah, so it found that 0. Now we have that 1 in there. So to apply the missing data to multiple columns, I double click on the name so it shows here. I'm in a Mac, so I do command and then I select multiple columns. You can see that there are multiple columns here. I click missing value, missing value. This one was continuous, so I'm just going to do equal equals 0. If I was doing a nominal variable and I needed to put a word or a category, I would use commas like category, something like that, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm going to do 0. And I hit enter and it should turn 1 there. That's for E1. Let's do a couple of others. For E2. Have also just 1. For E3, just 1. 4, just 1. Yeah, so I only have 1 row that was missing from each column, which is not bad.